G'day everybody, it's Matthew from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove an FGX sound system from a Ford Falcon. The tools you'll need is a 7mm socket, a 8mm socket, a plastic spudger, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Alrighty, let's get started. Now the first part we're going to remove is this part here. Now because it's in the sun all day, they can become brittle and they're easily cracked. We've already loosened ours, but if you do crack it, it's an unfortunate side effect. You need to get it from the back and pry it up because it is held in with some very strong clips, these guys here. So once it comes off, we'll just put that aside for a sec. And then we're going to remove this section down here. There's one screw down there and one Phillips screw there. Once you've removed the two screws, this whole section will come out as one piece. Now we're going to go back up the top again and we're going to remove the 7mm sockets. Okay, so we've removed the two 7mm nuts at the top. We're going to remove the two 7mm ones down the bottom. And now we'll remove the two 8mm at the side. Okay, so now that we've removed the 4 bolts at the bottom and the 2 at the top, we're going to remove the 2 sockets that are plugged in at the top. And don't worry about getting them in the wrong place because they will only fit in one hole. One's bigger than the other. This one here is actually held in with a plastic clip, so we need to remove it from the clip and then unplug it from the harness. Then we can edge it out a little bit, and that'll allow you to get your hand down the back and pretty much do the same thing again. Remove these electrical cables. There's a few more behind it. Once you've done that, the whole unit will come out. So these guys down here are the ones that you need to reach down and unplug. There's not a lot of cable there, so you can't get it all the way out until such time as you've reached down and done that. Okay, so that radio is now ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.